How to add pages in Wix Studio. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to add a page. So as you can see right now, we're currently in our Wix website. So what we're going to do is we're going to look over here on the top left. Simply click on our home over here, or as long as it's in this area, as you can see, we can click on manage pages. After the manage pages, you can see here we have our different list of pages. What you're going to simply do is you're going to simply click on add new page. So there are two options for us to choose from over here. So we have add a standard blank page or dynamic page. So in the dynamic page, design once and then generate unlimited pages. So you can easily create templates for any of your pages. But for this one, if you want to create a page from scratch, you could choose a standard page. So if you click on add, then simply put in a new name over here. So let's say contacts. There we go. And this is our page, by the way. As you can see, it's currently empty. And you can now simply create your design, whether it's through design section, grid layout, or add an element. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.